How to make your brain sharper, how to achieve sharper recall, how to score high in school and college, how to achieve peak performance, what do you require to be successful, rich, and happy in life, how to be resilient under stress. Are you spending hours studying but forgetting everything the next day? Many of you seek answers to these questions. Many are struggling to find answers. They are working randomly, no well set time, no habits, no routine. You know what? That's not a motivation problem, it's a brain habit problem. What if I say the answer to all these questions is that you have to train your mind? You have to reshape your brain, that's it. But now comes the $1,000,000 question, how do you actually do that? The answer is pretty simple. You have to train your mind with consistent habits, with your routine. Yes, the patterns you repeat each day influence your brain, influence how they think, how they learn, and how they react under stress. You know, the brain thrives on repetition, and when you do a task repeatedly, your neurons fire in the same pattern over and over. Tell me, do you forget the route to your school, college, or office? No. Why? Because you follow the same path regularly and your brain doesn't even need to think about it anymore. Similarly, you have to build some habits regularly to become sharp, learn fast, and think quickly. But not every repeated habit can provide the same results. Some habits make you better, others just make you busy. So today I'm going to share 10 best habits that when done consistently can make you smarter, quicker, and yes, richer. Just stay tuned until the end because every single habit can change the game. They help build a smarter brain. So the habit number 1, consistent sleep-wake timings. Your brain doesn't like chaos, it needs clarity. So when you wake up at 6 a.m. on Monday, 8 a.m. on Wednesday, and 10 a.m. on Saturday, what are you doing? You are creating chaos for your brain. So lock down your sleep-wake schedule. Look, your brain runs on patterns. It works better when you wake up and go to bed at the same time every single day. And yes, even on weekends, many people think that it is Saturday or Sunday, so let's catch up on sleep. Bro, your brain doesn't work like a bank account where you can withdraw all week and deposit on weekends. Your brain needs consistency to perform at its peak. You know what happens to people with consistent sleep schedules? They don't need 3 cups of coffee just to feel human. They don't struggle to remember what they studied or learned. And because of consistent sleep schedules, your brain starts optimizing everything. Your memory consolidates better, your focus sharpens, your reaction time improves. Why? Because your brain knows exactly when to release cortisol hormone for alertness, when to produce melatonin for sleep, and when to peak your cognitive performance. Now coming to habit number 2, read for 20-30 minutes every single day. Reading for 20 to 30 minutes daily builds focus, comprehension, and vocabulary. It can help build a smarter brain. And reading doesn't mean scrolling through Instagram or scrolling through headlines. I'm talking about actual reading, which means books, articles, etc. Real content that makes your brain work. Because when you read, it activates multiple brain areas like language, visual processing, and comprehension. And as a result, it increases cognitive performance. It is like turning on every light in a house. Your focus gets sharper, your vocabulary expands, and your comprehension deepens. Your ability to think critically improves. So pick up a book for 20 to 30 minutes every day without excuses. Now coming to the habit number 3, move your body, walk, run, or exercise every day. You know what is crazy? Most people think that building a sharper brain means sitting at a desk longer, studying harder, and grinding more hours in front of a screen. Wrong. Do you want a smarter brain? Get up and move. Daily exercise, whether it is a simple walk, a morning run, or a full body workout, is about feeding your brain with oxygen and blood flow. They make you think faster and remember better. Because when you move your body, your heart pumps harder, your blood rushes to your brain, oxygen levels spike. It helps new neurons grow. It strengthens connections and it literally makes you smarter. Just try this out. When you are stuck on a problem, can't think clearly and feeling foggy, go for a 20-minute walk and watch what happens. Your brain wakes up. Now coming to the habit number 4, drink water at set intervals. Look, your brain is 75% water. So when you are dehydrated, you are literally running your brain on empty. And when you don't drink enough water, your brain cells shrink. Your focus drops and your memory gets fuzzy and everything feels harder than it should. And when you stay hydrated, your brain fires on all cylinders. Information flows faster, concentration improves, mental clarity sharpens. The problem is most people drink water randomly. They remember when they are already thirsty, and by the time you feel thirsty, you are already dehydrated. So don't wait until your mouth feels like sandpaper. Instead, drink enough water at regular intervals. Now, habit number 5, practice meditation at a fixed time. Nobody is expecting you to go to a mountain and meditate there for hours. I'm talking about meditation for just 10 to 15 minutes every day and at the same time. Let's hear out what meditation does for us. Meditation trains your attention like a muscle. It reduces the mental noise. It teaches your brain to focus on one thing without getting distracted by every notification, every thought, and every random worry that pops up. But you know where most people mess up? They meditate randomly. Monday morning, Wednesday night, and maybe Saturday if they remember. And then they wonder why it is not working. Your brain needs consistency. It needs the fixed time every single day to build the habit. So pick up a time. You can meditate early morning before the chaos starts, and you can also practice before the bed to calm your mind. Now coming to the habit number 7, learn one new thing every day. You know what happens to your brain when you stop learning? It gets comfortable. It stops growing. It basically starts declining. Look, your brain is designed to learn. It gets stronger when challenged with new information, new skills, new concepts. And when I'm talking about one new thing, it means something as simple as learning a new word, a historical fact, or a simple skill, or a concept, or a different perspective. So you can read an article about something unfamiliar. You can watch an educational video. You can also learn a new word in a foreign language. You can understand how a technology works. You can study a concept outside your field. This keeps you mentally agile, you adapt faster, and you solve problems creatively. And you don't get stuck in rigid thinking patterns. Now coming to the habit number 8, avoid multitasking. You think multitasking makes you more productive? Wrong. This is a big lie. Multitasking doesn't make you efficient, it makes you scattered. It destroys your focus, it kills your brain's ability to do a deep and quality work. And when you are multitasking, your brain is rapidly switching between tasks. And every single switch costs you time, energy, and mental clarity. It's like consistently stopping and restarting a car. But when you single task, when you give one thing your complete attention, your brain enters a state of flow. Your work quality improves, you finish faster, you remember more, and you think more clearly. The single tasker actually gets things done, and the multitasker stays busy but accomplishes less. Now coming to the habit number 9, plan and list your task every day. Look, when you don't plan your task, your brain is constantly making decisions. What should I do next? Did I forget something? What is important? What can wait? Every single decision drains your mental energy. It is like driving without a map. You will eventually get somewhere, but you will waste time, energy, and focus figuring out where to go. So instead of starting your day with no clear direction, spend for 5 to 10 minutes planning every single day. It gives your brain a clear roadmap. It removes decision fatigue. It prioritizes what matters. No guessing, no scrambling, no mental chaos. And when you check off completed tasks, your brain releases dopamine. That feel-good chemical motivates you to keep going, to stay productive, and to build momentum. Now coming to the habit number 10, follow a consistent diet. If you are feeding your brain junk, you are sabotaging everything. Your brain needs fuel, and that too quality fuel. Not random snacks, not whatever convenient, not that processed garbage. Most people eat whatever, whenever, pizzas for lunch, chips for snacks, skip breakfast, binge at dinner. And then they wonder why they cannot focus, why they are always tired, why their memory feels foggy. Your brain uses 20% of your body's energy, 20%. So whatever you eat directly affects how well it functions. So when you follow a consistent diet, eating nutritious meals at regular times, your brain gets steady energy throughout the day. Your concentration improves, your memory sharpens, and your mood stabilizes. Your energy stays level and you think faster and clearer. So these are the habits that you need to follow consistently. Your brain will start rewarding you with sharper recall, better mood, peak performance, high energy, and sharper memory. You start learning quickly, you understand well, you adapt well, and as a result, you get better, richer, and happier.